makuha. So, for example, ito yung station nila, pressure pa nila. But, hindi pa dito na-consider yung altitude. So, kaya dito, may tinatawag tayong altitude corrections. For example, yan pa lang, 952. Yan pa lang, hindi pa na-consider yung altitude correction. So, itong altitude corrections are made so that a barometer reading taken at one elevation can be compared with a barometer reading taken at another. Okay? So, for example, dito sa altitude corrections, 952 MB siya. So, since yung altitude niya is measured 600 meters, so for every 100 meters is 10 MB. So, since 600 meters, we will add 60 MB. So, 952 plus 60 MB is 10112 MB. So, same thing sa B, C, D. So, sa B